product from the stick called the posture curve. Basically what this is your spine goes in the middle of this, and there's two knuckles on either side, and they break up tension along the spine, and the knuckles actually go into the trigger points along your spine and break up the tension. It stretches the spine one segment at a time. This is great for back stiffness, hip stiffness, anything. So you're going to want to start on your lower back, and you're going to work your way all the way up to your neck if you can do that. Putting it on a chair, on the back of a chair, is going to be for beginners, people that don't really like a super deep massage. And someone that can handle a deep massage, you can lay it on the ground, and if for any reason you're laying it on the ground or even on the chair and it's just too much pressure, you can lay a towel over it so the knuckles aren't going directly into it as deep. So I'm going to be demonstrating how you do this. I'm going to be doing it on the ground because I like a deeper massage. You're going to start it right here. Your spine is going to be in the middle of either knuckles at all times. So you'll start with your knees up, lay flat, and if you can, put your knees down. If you can't, that's okay. You can put your knees up. Knees up will cause it to not go as deep. As you lower your knees, it'll go deeper. So right now, I'm not feeling any tension in my lower back. So put your knees up. You can either lift up like this and scoot it, or you can sit up, move it, and then lay back. Whatever feels more comfortable to you. This one is going a little bit deeper and I can feel it. Basically, you want to lay here until you can completely talk through the pain and you're not really noticing it as much anymore, and you're really feeling the muscles release. After laying here for a minute, I can feel my muscles releasing and relaxing, and when I get up, it feels amazing. Because you are laying into the product, you get to kind of decide how much pressure you want to put on the knuckles, whether you want to go really deep or whether you kind of want to hold yourself up to make sure you don't go as deep. Whatever you're comfortable with and whatever works for your body is what you should do. You can just keep going all the way up. Once you get to your rhomboids, you're going to want to cross your arms and lay back on it, because if you have your arms flat, they're not really getting into the muscle. You cross your arm, the muscle is opened up so that it can really dig in there. So basically, I want to cross my arms and lay directly into it. This hurts. It's like a very good pain, but it is going in deep, and that's good because I need to break up these trigger points. I need to find relief in my rhomboids, which is good for me to know. Another thing that the posture curve is great for is sciatica. So if you have sciatica, what you can do is lay it next to you. You're going to want to cross your legs, put it under, lean into it, and you're going to feel it where it hurts the most. And then once you do it for maybe 30 seconds in that spot, you'll just move it down like a ½ inch. Do it again. Maybe move it a ½ inch over here. Do it again. Keep doing it until you hit all the points that are hurting to you. Finding a spot that hurts is actually really, really good because, one, you found the problem area, you know where the problem is, and that's how you're going to fix it. And if it's hurting, that means it's doing its job, it's getting right in there and fixing what needs to be done. I personally, after using this, feel like my flexibility is automatically improved. I can twist around more, I can stretch easier, I just feel a difference. If you don't take care of your tight spots now, they could get worse and worse, and that's not going to fix the problem. You're going to make the problem worse. So by using this, it breaks up those tension spots, gets to those trigger points, releases that tension that needs to be released in order for your muscles to be healthy and move the way that they're supposed to move. Healthy muscles should not have any pain when being rolled over or on a posture curve. So if you find a spot that's tense or tight or hurts, that means that that muscle is not healthy right now. You've got to work at it to get it to the point where it needs to be so that it's a healthy muscle again.